Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. We got a treat for you today, St. Patrick's Day. So happy St. Patrick's Day, wear your green, but we're going to be showing you a sign in red today. These are non-neon. That's a Yankee Aviation sign made with LEDs, and we're going to be putting together another one for you. So stay tuned while we show you all about this. These are called the SpellBrite lights. It's a new technology. Again, it's LED, not neon, but they are very bright.
We would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
So in the SpellBrite technology, you have a choice of 4 colors. You can get it in green, you can get them in blue, which is what we ordered the Grumman in, you can get them in red, which you've seen in the Yankee Aviation, and then there's the standard titling white. So those are your 4 colors in the SpellBrite. Now these signs are not sponsored. We bought ours, so please buy yours. Now here's a little bit of editor fun for you. You can read Grumman. We're flashing and playing with the controls, and we're going to turn it back around in a minute for you. So, hope you're liking this.
Turn it right side up.
Ta-da!
You like my new bling?
Yeah.
You know, I could see around the house at night. I can see a doorway.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
And so here's the finished Grumman sign. For those of you who know Grumman, Rich and Nancy Harrison's dog, Grumman, that's her room if we put some grass in the bottom. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this technology. Enjoy the reflections on the clean floor of the signs shining through the epoxy. It's a nice technology. Think about one for your hangar, your man cave, your garage, whatever. It's really nice. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. Well, let me apologize for the lighting, because a lot of times I don't have time to go turn on a light when I want to film them playing with paper on the floor or wrestling with each other. A lot of times it happens in the wee hours of the night, and I just can't throw enough light on there. So please accept my apology and enjoy their antics and their fun. Thank you.